Hi friends, let me show you this new Notepad Holder. As you can see, it's a really slim, small one. Can even fit in your shirt pocket. It comes with a small pen that you can use to take notes. As you can see, it's easy to take notes even on the go. You could put some extra cards here, whatever you want to keep here as a business card or whatever. And the pen goes here, comes with you always. That's it. And you get 5 extra notepads. So I think it's a nice set if you take notes in meetings, if you are supervising something, if you just like to write what you're thinking or a new idea that comes to your mind. This is a great option for that kind of purposes. Thank you.